Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to be doing this unboxing. So Instagram, so we have on the Succulent Instagram community, there's many people there that do giveaways. So I've entered in the past, but I've given up. But this time I decided to enter to this one, to Unknown Succulents. He also has his own website where he sells plants and stickers. So I decided to enter his giveaway and I won, guys. How exciting is that? And I'm excited to share it with you guys. So I'll put all his information down in the bottom below so you guys can see. So I'm excited to open this up. Looks very nice, nicely packaged, very professional. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, look at these stickers, guys. These stickers are completely designed by him and they're waterproof, dishwasher safe. So on his Instagram, if you go on there, you can see him placing like a tumbler inside of the dishwasher and taking it out, and you'll see that his stickers are still intact. They look great. So I am excited to try this out on some different items. So that's pretty cool, and he designed them himself. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. Very cool designs. Let's see what's in here. Nicely packaged. It just rained. I was waiting for the sun to come out because I was like so excited to open this package, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going for it. So like I said, he does sell succulents and cacti on his website. Check it out. He is from California. Look at that. Look how pretty that Horthia is. Really nice. And oh, there's another one in here. Look at how fat that one is. Fatty McFatty. So cool. And I believe there's one more in here. Wow, that one is really cool looking. Some type of aloe, maybe. I'm not sure. I don't know this one. But super cool. It has a lot of weight to it. They look very healthy. Pink. I like this pink color. I don't know. The colorful tissue just makes it more fun, guys. And just opening plants. It's exciting. Oh wow, look at this monster. This is big. I have one of these, but they're skinny. This is a nice chubby one. I like it. And here's this one. Very nice. I think this is the one that gives you, I don't know the name of it. Gives you the one with the star looking flower. Okay, one more. Everything looks great. Guys, if you don't have an Instagram yet, I'm telling you, you gotta get on it. Instagram is where it's at, where you know you learn a lot about succulents and cacti, and you're introduced to so many different plants. Look at that, and people too. So that's pretty cool. Love that. So pretty. Perfect little looking rosette. And corn on the cob. Very spiky. That's it. Those are super nice. Let me clean this up and show you guys. Oh wait, there's one more that's hiding, and an airplane has to go by. This cool looking aloe. Now let me clean this up and just give you see them better. Don't mind the plane. That's for drainage. If you guys didn't watch my Instagram, this was on the other side before I painted it, and it got full of water, and it was raining like for a week straight, so I wasn't back there. So when I went to go look, there was like a million tadpoles in here, and I had to rescue them, all of them. I had to rescue them and take them to the lake. My daughter was like, please mommy, what you will do for your children. Super cool. Thank you so much, Unknown Succulents, for doing this giveaway. It was awesome. Thank you so much for your awesome looking stickers. They look good. I can't wait to place them on my Tumblr. And different things. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and check his website out. Bye guys. Have a blessed day.